Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to turn your photo into a sticker on iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first go to photos and select any picture that you want to turn it into your sticker. For example, I'll select this one. And now press and hold the part that you want to turn into sticker. For example, I want to turn this part. Press and hold it like this and tap add sticker. Perfect. Now tap add effect and you can add any effects into your sticker. For example, I select outline like this and tap down. Great, now we created successfully our sticker. Now you can send your sticker into any application you want. For example, let's try with message. Tap on message. For example, I'll send my sticker to this person and tap here and tap sticker, and this is our sticker like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.